Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're looking to boost your Instagram engagement automatically, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you the best tool in 2025 for auto-like and auto-comment on Instagram. This tool is perfect for marketers, influencers, and business owners. You can auto-like and auto-comment on posts to increase engagement. Inside the software, you'll see a user-friendly dashboard. Start by adding your Instagram accounts with individual proxies. This keeps each account secure and lowers the risk of bans. Next, go to the viral marketing section. Choose seeding post or comment by hashtag. Seeding post lets you target specific post links for interaction. Comment by hashtag searches trending posts automatically. Here, I have a post with only 10 likes and 0 comments. Only need to copy the link and paste into my software. You can customize a list of comments for random rotation. This helps your actions look natural and human-like. You can also auto-like after commenting. Set a delay between actions, like 10 to 20 seconds. This mimics real user behavior and keeps your account safe. You can run multiple accounts at the same time. Each account can interact with hundreds of posts daily. Just make sure to always use proxies for safety. Let's boost the engagement together and see how powerful this tool really is. Just after 1 minute, this post has received a significant boost in likes and comments. It's really that fast and effective. And that's it, an easy way to grow your Instagram in 2025. Download links and contact info are in the comments. Like this video, subscribe to the channel, and drop your questions below.